Hi guys, welcome to 100x powered by Cume, the world's fastest crypto derivatives exchange. My name is Nikita Seshdev and you're watching The Opening Bell, your wake-up call to all future happenings in the global crypto and traditional markets. Let's begin. In the US and East Asia, equity and crypto markets has had a pretty bad week. Both closed on weekly losses as daily COVID infection rates in the US and some East Asian countries continue to rise. Commodities markets and big tech stocks like Microsoft, Amazon, and Facebook took quite a nosedive. We believe this trend is unfortunately likely to continue. Meanwhile, we are seeing India slip into a recession while it struggles to contain the coronavirus and its effects. Axis Bank Limited, the third largest bank in the country, just had its investment ratings lowered by S&P ratings. This brings heightened economic risk to the Indian banking system due to the pandemic, which affects the lender's asset quality and financial performance. That's not all though. Looking at the Industrial Production Index chart of India, we can see that it's at its lowest since 2012. And if nothing changes, the Indian banking market will see more banks downgraded in the coming days. In Germany, Wirecard, the backbone of Germany's fintech industry, had its operations frozen by the UK regulators. Reports say that $2 billion are missing from the company's accounts. The company filed for insolvency on June 25th, a week after the missing funds were reported. Ernst & Young was responsible for auditing the firm, and despite many Wirecard investors complaining about Ernst & Young's accounting practices, they were left unattended. The entire situation is believed to be the worst financial hit to the European economy after the 2008 financial crisis, but a few companies are sure to benefit of this, Wirecard's rivals like PayPal. In crypto markets, Bitcoin fell below $9,000 on Thursday and is now trading at $8,900, mimicking the bearish trend of markets worldwide. With market volatility spiking and countries expecting a deflationary economy in the near future, we expect that Bitcoin will have a hard time recapturing at the $10,000 price level. This kind of goes against investors' expectations of Bitcoin acting as a hedge against inflation and Fed's overshooting stimulus packages during the crisis. In DeFi markets, the Compound protocol now has around $624 million locked in, making it the world's top decentralized finance platform. After Compound began distributing its Comp token on June 15th to both lenders and borrowers, the price of the token skyrocketed to a point where it became possible to earn Comp for effectively no cost. The hype for yield farming, however, is not much more likely to last than 2017's initial coin offering boom, as a Compound token suffered heavy losses on June 24th. After trading as high as $427 on Tuesday, Comp fell below $250, but as long as there is a large gap between the price of Comp and what it costs to earn it, yield farming will likely continue. And that is all for this episode of 100x. We'll be back next Sunday with more market news, and if you don't want to miss a thing, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow me on Twitter. Thank you for watching and have a great week ahead.